Hi everybody, we are here today to unbox Lanner's newest multi-service edge gateway, the NCA-1040. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the main box. We have our desktop network appliance and our power adapter. The NCA-1040 is compact but powerful. Let's take a deeper look. The system supports up to 32 gigs of DDR4 memory. Let's take a look at installing the memory. Turn the system upside down. Locate where the memory card is supposed to be placed. Unscrew. Open up the panel. Insert the memory. Place the cap back on, place the screw back on, and it's ready to go. For optional accessories, we can add an additional data storage, a LTE or 5G module card, and a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth module card. Let's take a look at the installation process. Turn the system upside down. Locate the 4 long screws and unscrew. Turn it back right side up, and then open the top chassis. Let's take a look at the installation process. Let's first install the M.2 storage. We'll just insert it into the pin and screw it on to secure. Next, let's look at the 5G module card. Same, we insert the pins gently and then screw it on to secure. Lastly, we also have a Wi-Fi card, which we also insert fully seated and secure with the screw. The system provides 4 antennas for the 5G module card. For the inside wiring, we take the RF connector and connect it to the 5G module IPEX connector, all 4. And on the outside, we have the antennas, which we simply screw on, and then it's ready to go. And this is the NCA-1040. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below.